Hello and welcome back to this channel and welcome back to the course as well. So in today's video we'll be understanding some useful methods of strings in Ruby. String is an object, so there are multiple methods present for the string object, but we will be understanding some the most useful methods which are really helpful in solving any kind of problem or any while developing an application. Okay, so the first one is to how we can calculate the length of the string or how we can get the size of the string. Both the methods work the same way. We can use dot length or dot size on any string object to get its length. Then another useful method is dot include. So suppose I have a string uh, protectee and I want to check that E letter is present in it or not. Or suppose I have the string protectee is the best platform. So the best word is present in that string or not. We can check it in while using the include method. There are also other ways as well, but the basic use of this method is that only. And we can also convert the string from downcase to upcase or any case to downcase or upcase. Okay, and then we have two methods to convert the string into an array, which is each char and dot split. Okay, so and the next useful method is dot count to count the any particular letter, how many times it is repeated in the string. Let's move forward. As you can see, I am in Sublime now, and suppose I have a string str equal to protechie protechie, and I want to calculate its length. So how I can do that is by using a length method which is present for the string object. So str.length will give me an integer value which will be the string length, and to print the output we will use p. Okay, let's do that. Let me clear the console. Yes yes as you can see, the 9 is printed. We can also use dot size method to print the size of the string. The next important method is include. We can also use include on the string object to check that if a particular letter is present in it or not. Let's see that if I want to check that I is present in this string or not. I can use dot include question mark methods will give always a boolean value, either true or false. Okay, so this should result in true. This should result in true. As you can see, it is resulted in true. We can also format our output like this. Yes, I is present in protechie. If string dot include will give me true, this will be printed, and else the output will be no, it is not present. The if else condition is really simple in Ruby. If this is true, this will be happening, and else this will be happening. So for now, this should be executed and my output should be yes, I is present in ProTechie. Okay, now let's understand one more method, which is how we can convert a string which just consists of characters into array. Suppose I want to convert this string to array. How we can do that? We have a method for string which is dot each underscore char, and then if we do dot to a, it will convert. Dot each char will give us the enumerator object, and doing dot to a will convert it into an array. Okay, so it has been converted into the array of characters. Now we have also another method for it. Suppose we want to split the string, and the string is ProTechie is the best platform. We want to split it. By split I mean that we want to convert this whole string into an array of these particular words. Hmm. So ProTechie is the best platform. We can also split the string on the basis of some particular symbol or character. Suppose I want to split the string on the basis of E. So wherever the E is present, string will be splitted from that PROT, and then E is present. So E will be skipped and CHI will be inserted, and then is space TH will be inserted, then B, then so on. Okay, so you can split the string on basis of any particular character, but if you will not specify anything, by default it will take the splitter as the blank space. Okay, coming to the next method, suppose I want to make all the characters of this string to downcase. We have a method for that, which is dot downcase. So all the letters which were capital are also converted to the lowercase letters, as you can see here. And to make all of them as in uppercase, we have a method dot upcase. All of them are converted to the uppercase. And we can also use dot capitalize method to capitalize every single word, every single initial of every single word. ProTechie is the best platform, as the string is capitalized. Not every word, yes, I said that wrong, not every word, but the first word. So next method is count, and let's see if I want to count I in this string, how many I are present. It will give us the total count of I. As you can see, first I is present in ProTechie word and then I is present in is. So it prints 2. That's it for today's video, and let's meet in the next video.